My name's Hank Wheel, and I was fortunate enough to help Matt work on Shannon Kennedy's 64 356 SC, and different things that I worked on to help get the car put back together with the front and rear bumpers, putting those back together. Took a few days to do that, and also did some work on the vent windows, putting the vent windows back together, and internally in the car, getting the cigarette lighter rebuilt, put back together, as well as putting the ashtray back into the car, and then helped various occasions putting the windows, the front and rear front windshield and the rear window back into the car, and then just other odds and ends when I was available to help put the car back together. It was a lot of fun. Enjoyed watching it go from a shell of just a body to an actual 356 that was 100% back together and functional. And was fortunate enough to also go to the 2019, the 64th Porsche Parade, help prepare the car for the Concours, as well as watching the judging, the excitement of having the car win its division and then go on to the final judging and get best overall in restoration for the 64th 2019 parade.